Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send quotations of your car driving school to customers on WhatsApp when they fill form on website, right? So the idea here is that you are running a car driving school in which you teach people how to drive a car, right? And for that you have created a website to improve your visibility online, and in that website you have created an inquiry form. Okay, so whenever any interested visitor on your website fills that form, you want to share with him or her the quotation and the details of your business on their WhatsApp account, right? So now to get this done you have two ways. One is that whenever you receive a new form submission or a new inquiry here in a form that has been created with the help of Elementor form application. So as we have taken the example of Elementor, you can use any other form building application such as JotForm or Pabbly Form Builder, etc. So you have received a new inquiry here from your website. So now you are going to manually sort out the data of the person who have inquired, then come to WhatsApp and manually type a message for that person and share and attach your quotations of car driving school and send him or her on the WhatsApp account. But guys, this manual process can be very problematic and time consuming if you are receiving hundreds of inquiries on daily basis. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a new form submission or inquiry here in an Elementor form, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled the form along with your quotation here on WhatsApp. Yes guys, this can be done, and this can be done with the help of this application which I am using called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you receive a new inquiry, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered along with your quotation, right? And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between Elementor forms and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see we have created this website for our driving school, and name is A to Z car driving school. And here we have all the information related to our driving school, and we also attached an inquiry form here, and this form is created with the help of Elementor. And here we are going to receive the inquiry. So if someone is interested to know detailed information about our services and the things we provide in our business, so we are going to share with them on their WhatsApp account the brochure or the packages of our driving school. So I will show you that I am going to fill this inquiry form here on the behalf of any visitor, and we will check if this WhatsApp account of the visitor receives the quotation or the packages of our driving school on the WhatsApp account here or not. So let me fill the name here. So I'm filling the name as this, 𝗪𝗮𝘅 𝗪𝗮𝘅, the email, the number, the message. Let's the message be driving school schedule. Okay. Now I'm going to click on submit here. So you can see the form was sent successfully. Okay, and we have received a new message also. Let's check what is in the message. So the message is this. It is saying, hello 𝗪𝗮𝘅 𝗪𝗮𝘅, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z driving school. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in driving school. So, and here is the link of the brochure we have attached. Let me open this also. Okay, so you can see this is kind of a brochure we are going to send to the person who receives who will fill the inquiry form. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here on this WhatsApp account without any typing or manual compilation of the message or generating this link, just by filling a inquiry form present here on our website. So let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Elementor's inquiry form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. Okay, so first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our inquiry form created with the help of Elementor application with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from our inquiry form to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now step 3 is send the quotation on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally we are going to send the quotation on the WhatsApp account of the person whose data we have collected here in Pabbly Connect. And to do this we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. Okay. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect accounts in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made one free account, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now from this all apps section of Pabbly, come here to Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. Okay, so this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and you have to create workflows like these to start working, right? So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button. And here you have to enter a name of your workflow. So you can give any name according to you. Let me fill this name. So I have filled the name as driving school quotation from Elementor form to WhatsApp, right? Now click on create here. So as a workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says, when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new inquiry received in Elementor form, and the action would be is to send the driving school quotation to the person who have inquired on their WhatsApp account. Okay. Now first of all, click on this trigger window and from this choose app, choose your application as Elementor, this one. After this, you have to click here on this trigger event and select this new form submission option. Okay. Now this will generate a URL. This is called as a webhook URL. So by using this URL, we are going to connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you just have to copy this URL from here. Then you have to go to your WordPress dashboard from where you have to create the website page. Then here click on this edit with Elementor. Okay, so the editor is opening up here. So here scroll down to your form, click on that form that you have attached like this, and on the left hand side you will see this content option. So when you scroll down here in this content page, you will find this actions after submit button. So click on it. So here you will find this add action field. So here in this field search for webhook, this one, select webhook option. Okay, so below down this webhook button will appear, click on it, and here you will find this webhook URL field. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, so paste it here in this field and now click on this update button showing up here like this, and you can see the website page is updated. Okay, now you can see in Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for webhook's response. Okay, so now it is time to capture the data from our Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect, and to do that we are going to fill the form again. So I am opening the website page again by clicking here on view page, and here I am going to fill the form again. Let us say with the name as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and the email and the number and the message. So I have filled the message like this: inquiry for car driving charges. Okay, now I am clicking on submit here, and you will see the form is getting submitted. Okay, the form was sent successfully. Now let's check in the Pabbly Connect if we have captured the data. So you can see the data of the submission is captured here, showing the name as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and all the details that we have filled. So our 2 steps are completed, and now it is time for our next step. Let me show you. So our next and final step is send the quotation on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so now we are going to send the quotation of our driving school to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so to do this, we are going to use another application, which is 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window, and from this choose app, choose the application as 360. This one, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay, so now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay, so now click on this action event and select send template message option. Then click on connect button. And from this window, choose add new connection option if you're making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time. Okay, so let me show you the connection process of the first time. So when you choose add new connection, it will ask for the API key and the domain name. So to find these things, you have to go to 360 dialog account, and you will find it in WhatsApp account pages. So let me show you the process. So here is my 360 dialog account. You can also set up your own 360 account, and to do that, I'll suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description, so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices, right? Here I'm going to click on this WhatsApp accounts page, and here you can see we have this button showing generate API key. Okay, so by clicking on generate API key, you can generate the key and then copy that key and paste the key API key here in this field, right? And while generating the key, you will find the domain name also, which will look like this link. So generally the link is same as this only, so you can paste this same link here also. After pasting these 2 things, you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with 360 dialog. So generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you generated the key, you can use the same key to make the connections afterwards also. Okay, so as I have already told you that I have made a connection before with 360 dialog and Pabbly Connect, and I have already generated a key. So once you generated the key, you can and made a connection, you can choose existing connection option also, as I am choosing, and then you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with 360 dialog. As you can see here, it started showing connected. That means we are connected with 360 dialog account. Okay, now it is asking for template. So what is this template? Let me first show you in my 360 dialog account. Here I am opening manage templates option, and you can see these are the templates or messages we have in 360 dialog. So let me open one for you. So this is our template, and these templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp. Okay, so to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, first you have to create message templates here in 360 dialog, then you can use them to send messages. So to create a template, you have to click here on add template button, and here you have to enter a name of your template. You have to select the category of your template. You have to select the language in which you want to send the message, right? And similarly the type of the template. And in this body field here, you have to type the main body or the message that you want to send. Then click here on preview and submit, and your template will be submitted. Okay, after template submission, WhatsApp's parent company Facebook will review your template and approve your template. Okay, So the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it take only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours to get a template approved. So once you got your templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So when I click here, you will see it will show the list of all the approved templates we have in 360 Dialog. Okay. And the template I am using is this one, send brochure final template. Okay. So I have selected the template. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up, and then it will ask for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter the number of the person to whom we want to send the message, and we have captured the data of that person in this second step. So this is the person to which we want to send the message, and here is the number. So to get this number here, you have to click here on this field, click on Elementor, and map this number from here only. Okay. Now it is asking for these body fields. So let me first show you what are these fields. So I'm in my 360 Dialog account, and here I'm opening my message template, which is this send brochure final template. And in this template, you can see you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields of our message template, or the variables we have in the message. Okay. As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have inquired. So this is going to change with every new message, the name. Also, thank you for showing your interest in. So if you have more than one website, more than one business page, this can also change. And in the third field, we are going to put the name of the services. So if you have more than one services, this can also change. So these are the things which needs to be changed with a new message. So to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these fields here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So in the first body field, I'm going to map the name of the person who have inquired. So to do that, click here, click on Elementor, and then map the name like this. Similarly, you can map all other fields too. For example, let's say this body field 4. So in this fourth body field, we are going to paste the link of the brochure that we are going to send, okay, or the quotation. So let me show you the quotation. So this is the driving school's quotation we have in my Google Drive. Okay. So I'm going to create a shareable link by clicking here on share option. And here you can see the get link option. So I'm going to click on copy link. And here we are going to paste the link in this fourth body field. So you can also enter things manually here. Okay, so now let me fill all other body fields. So I have filled all other body fields also. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message on the WhatsApp account according to our template. Okay, so let me click on save and send test request, and you will see something, the response will be like this. Okay, and we have received a message also. Let's check what is in the message, and the message is this: thank you, oh sorry, hello 𝗪𝗆𝗆, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z driving school. Okay, one of our team members will contact you shortly, and here is the link of the brochure or the quotation also. So you can see this is the same link, and the body fields are also filled automatically according to the body fields we have filled here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, 𝗪𝗆𝗆 driving school. Okay, so our connection is working very fine with WhatsApp. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we have selected the application as Elementor and connected it with the help of webhook URL. Then we collected the data of the person who have inquired like this. Then we in this action window, we connected 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp, selected our template and filled all the details required to send the message like this. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that we have received this message here. Right now you just have to click on save and your workflow is completed. So now let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this automation or workflow run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instant. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.